Thieves.
Yeah.
We are in Piccadilly. We have our little spot today, and we are going to. What are we going to play next, Jan?
Should we hit the road?
Hit the road. We're going to play Hit the Road because Jan's found a new bass line that he likes.
That'll do for me. Wonderful. Continue.
All right. Hit the road, Jack. Hopefully, we'll create some smiles despite the grey sky.
Yes.
We have some CDs and some cards as well. The CDs are like a £5 suggested donation, but it's up to you guys. But yeah, just take a card anyway. It's got our Facebook page on and all that good stuff. So yeah, this next one is a funky version of a song called Settle Down. Just in time for the school.
Wop wop. Wop ba da 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 down 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 do down 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 do.
Thank you so much.
Down do down 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 do sound do down down sound 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 do
So now with you, wanna settle down. I want to settle down. Settle down with me. Settle down. We can sit at a table. Ooh, a table for two. Wine and dine with me. Settle down. I wanna raise a child. I want to raise a child with me. Raise a child. We could go on Nebraska, Jones. She or how you know. Oh, just so you know, babe. Ooh, I wanna settle with you. Wanna settle. Settle down with me. Settle down. Rough and mandible fingers. Because I saw over you Monday morning small talking on the avenue. She got a fancy car. She gonna take you far from the city lights inside into the dark. Shine deeply into those eyes. The stars they shine so bright. Stars they shine so. When they shine deeply into. Stars they shine so bright. Stars they shine so deep into those eyes. I wanna settle down with you. Say
All right.
Ah.